our third episode of Matunga Unplugged. I am Saket Mulge, the Director of Public Relations, Rotaract Club, King Circle, Matunga. Today, I, along with Dhawal, will be asking a few general questions to the residents of Matunga. So let's begin.
So I'll be starting with my first question. That is, what are your views about women empowerment?
Women empowerment in India, especially, we just consider it as a trade and we don't follow this concept. We just consider it as a weak part or not that impactful thing in our society. So I think in our villages, in rural areas, girls don't get proper education. They get married at the at the age of their 10 and 8, 9, 14, 15. So we need to improve and we still need to go further.
Personal views about women empowerment that the government is trying to achieve.
I feel women empowerment, I mean, the government is doing its best, but you know, it's not sufficient. We still need to take a lot of major steps, because I, as a woman, I want equality in status, in education, in inheritance, politics, religion, and in every. About women empowerment, the fact that we are discussing about it shows that we haven't achieved it yet. I feel it will be truly achieved when we don't have to discuss about such topics. Have you ever heard about men empowerment? No, because we have it. The reason we are speaking about it is because we don't have it yet. So that's what I feel.
So starting with the next question. So it is like, what is the impact of social media on your life?
Social media on my life as a mobile, Facebook and WhatsApp is my integral part. I mean, they are like I can't stay away from my phone, WhatsApp and Facebook, not even for a second. I need to check my phone, I need to check my WhatsApp, I need to check my Facebook every time. I want to see the updates, I want to see the other notifications. So I guess it's distracting me from the real things, the things that are more important, and I guess and it's affecting it's affecting my life very badly also, because it's affecting my cats also.
Question will be, what is the impact of social media on general life?
Social media has affected your life drastically, first of all. You don't meet your friends, you just text them on WhatsApp and Facebook and your work is done. One-to-one interaction has been reduced. Also, your importance of studies has been reduced. People are like more concerned about how they look on their Facebook profile and their Instagram instead of concentrating on what they are doing, like their studies maybe or their job. Also they keep updating the statuses on Facebook and stuff. People get to know what is going on with you. That's not how you should be. You should keep your personal life personal.
Affected you in various ways?
It has affected me positively. Positively, I mean, it has helped me in a lot of stuff, but there are a lot of negative sides too.
Like you get distracted while studying and all.
It's a lot of distraction, and you know, people are more, when it comes to Facebook and stuff, people are more interested into what's happening into somebody else's life, and
the privacy is lost, right?
Yeah, the privacy is lost.
Okay, so my last question is, what are your views about live-in relationship?
I feel that live-in relationship is solely dependent on a person's personal view. If they want to stay together, they can. I don't think society should judge them on the basis of this. You get to understand your partner better, and you can assess your companionship with them before getting married. And I feel that's what is important before getting married. Marriage being the most important decision of your life, you should know your partner better.
Your views regarding living relationships?
Being in living relationship is really good. I mean, you explore so many things. You get to understand your partner. There's mutual understanding, and the best part is it's not a married life wherein you have restrictions. You just
you don't even need to stay with the same person for life. You can even know him better, and then if it is not good, you can tell him your problems and you can share mutual understanding.
Yeah, that's the best part about living relationship. You don't have to be stuck with one person all your life. But you know, the sad part is in India, the oldies don't really.
They don't approve it, right?
They don't approve it. But I think they need to change